ادھر ہے. اوئے یہ بہت پیارا ہے, بیوٹیفل ہے. The black one, huh?
The black one?
ہاں
This one?
ہاں
Or this red one? Red one is more healthy.
ہاں ہاں اوکے ریڈ ون.
Ratika.
Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Welcome to Nan Kitchen. Today we are going to cook in the outdoor. And our recipe is Desi murgi. First of all, I will add the half liter of water, chicken into the water. This is the one whole chicken. And I will add the spices. Salt, red chili powder, healthy powder, tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, and sliced onion. And you will wait for until it's all together mixed well and boiling. Okay, once you add all the ingredients and you will cover it. Okay, now I will check our chicken pot. Oh, the water is getting dry. So now I will add the yogurt. This is the half cup of yogurt. Then after 5 minutes, I will add the ghee. Then for now, I will just cover it. Let's check our chicken pot. Okay, this is the situation of after we add the yogurt. Now I will add the ghee. This is 1 cup of ghee. Okay. Then we will start roasting with the ghee. Now I will add also the chilies. This is the optional. As you can see, our chicken gravy is very smooth after 10 minutes it will be ready. Then I will add the coriander from the top, so the dish will be ready to serve. Okay, now I will add the coriander leaves. This is the chopped coriander. The smell will be very nice. Our dish will be very yummy. Now our chicken pop is already removed from the wood fire and is ready to dish out. Now our desi murgi is already dished out. Here is it, and it's very tasty and very delicious. Smell is really amazing. So you can pair with the roti or rice, whatever you want to pair with, and you will enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.